Hey guys, I'm back with another season of Filmora mobile course. So you are watching the season 2 episode 1 and I want to kickstart this season with a very exciting topic: how to create captivating content for TikTok, Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts using just your smartphone. I will show you how to shoot the video, how to get the pro look and of course the editing part with the Filmora mobile app for Android and iOS. So let's get started. Whether you are shooting indoor or outdoor, find a clean, clutter-free background. Make sure the background complements the theme of your content. To keep the shot steady, attach it to a tripod vertically using a phone holder and start shooting. For tabletop shooting, you can use small phone holders like this, which will cost you around $10. Handheld shots can look dynamic and you can use the Gorilla Pod or the selfie stick. Once again, if you don't have any, simply hold the phone handheld with your arms extended and it will look good enough for most of the shots. Lighting plays a crucial role in mobile filmmaking because the sensor on your smartphones are quite small, so natural light can be your best friend. Try to shoot in front of a window or in a well-lit environment. The best lighting solution for TikTok Reels or Shorts is ring lights. This one cost me just $4 and believe me, it's so good. It comes with a phone holder as well and also a ball head at the bottom. The color temperature can be changed as well. You can shoot in front of a mirror if you're using the rear camera so you can see yourself and also get the best quality videos. After you shoot the video, edit it in the Filmora mobile app. For your information, it's available for both Android and iPhones. So this Filmora mobile app is by far the best app for TikTok Reels or Shorts because it's loaded with so many features. For example, these templates are mind-blowing. You get stickers, effects, transitions, text templates, filters, and also music powered by AI. So you get everything to make professional grade content that will make you stand out from the crowd. Simply replace the demo videos with your own and it will be ready. There are themes on music, lifestyle, and simply go through the list. It's amazing, designed by experts for creators like you. Now let me show you how to manually edit your videos. So first, import the video and clip the extra parts at the start and at the end. Firstly, if the background of your videos are not good enough, you can actually remove the background or replace it with your own. So there is an option called remove background which can detect the human figure with the help of AI and remove the excess part, and you can place other videos or stickers. Later in the video I will show you some beautiful backgrounds. Another very useful tool is auto captions, that is automatic subtitles will be generated with the help of AI. Hello guys, welcome to Filmora mobile course. This is your host Shukesh, and if you have a video in landscape mode, you can crop into portrait or square videos. Now what makes the Filmora app best for shorts TikTok is the effects, which are so nice, and with the help of AI these are made perfect. All these effects are nicely categorized. Here are some retro effects. You will also love the shake or play effects. These neon portrait effects are also quite good. Let's now check some party effects. Now let me show you the backgrounds I have mentioned before. With the help of AI portrait, the background will be changed. Some more AI portrait effects. This is my favorite. It's for music or dance videos. The effect matches the beats of the music. There's so many things to show you, like there are some nice stickers. Download and try the software free of cost and check the amazing features loaded into this app. Lastly, put a great background music, and with the help of AI, you can generate your own music based on the theme of the video. So this music has been generated by AI for you. So I think Filmora Mobile is a must-have app for all the content creators. Definitely give it a try. You can upscale your videos to up to 4K at 60 FPS. So try it. Download link is in the description. Don't miss the other episodes, and of course check out the season 1 of the Filmora mobile course, which is down in the description of this video.